sure what these falls are called, but they're cool. We're down in this super deep little canyon with water coming down, I don't know, 2.5, 3 stories, and the boys are over there. Russ and Aiden and Jakey and Aaron. Bunch of snow still there. This one's called Twin Falls, but I would call it Triple Falls because there's like three things from up above. There's the boys, Aiden and Jakey and Aaron. Pretty cool. This is like our 3rd set of waterfalls for the day, so we got a big waterfall day. It's the natural bridge. There's a little place where you can walk through right over there. I'm going to pan across. Russ is down by the falls. But super big bluffs all around where this waterfall comes out. Pretty cool. And if you can see down the valley there, there's a big bluff on one side and big rocky creek. And some new people coming. And Jakey slipped in water, but he's okay. He's gonna make it. He's gonna live.
It's just now starting to get cold.
And there's Russ again, messing with his shoe. There's a really cool waterfall over here. It's called Eden Falls. Not Aiden Falls, Eden Falls. Got Aaron, Sydney, Aiden in nature. Really cool big bluff over there if you look. Sid's head. Okay, we're back in some huge cave with a waterfall. We got Russ. I'm probably shining light in his eyes, Aaron. And a pretty big room and a giant waterfall out of the ceiling. And I can't coordinate my head and my camera at the same time. So